ucabanga ukuthi impilo yakhe izoshintsha ishintshwe ipolitiki khohlwe ikhiphe nje lonto emqondweni ukhohlwe yiyona ipolitiki njengamanje South Africa icreate i-avatar entsha i-avatar entsha ekuzobe sengazothi isa sort of messiah uma bese kiwe ekhethweni after isitindi sika Ramaphosa lapha ku-ANC by introducing uMkhwanazi as a heroic figure ozokwazi ukuthi afike kwaZulu Natal abutha amavoti ngendlela eyisimanga in contention with umnumzana uJacob Zuma. And the avatar bayibhida so much so that ngekathi uRamaphosa ephuma ekubeni upresident nizobe niscreamaneni ukuthi Mkhwanazi for president. Amathuluzi asetshenziswayo ke la imedia kakhulukazi SABC because inkinga yeni mabe sekukhuluma SABC nina kube singathi sekukhuluma uNkulunkulu ngazi into mabe nizokhozini nibona ngathi sekukhuluma uNkulunkulu or something. But media is creating this avatar ukuthi uma sekuphuma uRamaphosa nina nizobe seniscream ukuthi Mkhwanazi for president, not that ukuthi benifuna Mkhwanazi abe upresident, but media strategically positioned him kuleyo position ukuthi nina nibone sengazi ukuthi niyamkhetha ukuthi akabe upresident kanti kade anominatwa ngasese enominate abantu abathile base bempresenta ngemedia as a hero ukuthi asuse away lolu thando olungake ninalo for umnumzane Jacob Zuma ni replace ngomkhwanazi. Finally kuzokwenzeka into efanayo uma be naye sepresident niqale nibone uyafana naye nabanye abantu, uyafana naye nabanye abantu, because we have to understand ukuthi ipolitiki ayikho into ezoyishintsha. Ipolitiki ifana nani? Ifana ne-management company eqashwayo to maintain peace and order on certain countries. Or president and cabinet lakhe bakhonela lokho to maintain order, nothing else. Is to maintain order and peace and make sure ukuthi ama-investors, whatever they've invested in that country, is well taken care of and bayayenza profit lapho. There are people who are lingering in shadows, who controls what happens, what cannot happen. But land player so much ukuthi nize ngicabanga ukuthi inina kahle kahle enikhetha umuntu kanti angazi nimkhethe nina umuntu ukhethwa somewhere else then mase meeting introduce kunina ngendlela yokuthi nikwazi ukumamukela mase niyamthatha nimbeke ethala as if ukhethwe nini kanti angakazi nina nimkhethe lo muntu. That's how the media works, and that's how these figures in shadows operate, because they know how to manipulate psychology yabantu. And abanye beni balahlekelwa zimpilo zabo ecanga ukuthi ipolitiki khona ezoyilungisa. Ipolitiki ngeke ilungise lutho uma ufuna ukubona ushintsho empilweni yakho. Wena uyolenza lolo shintsho ukuthi be khona empilweni yakho ngokushintsha indlela ocabanga ngayo nokushintsha indlela owenza ngakhona izinto, uqale wenze nezinto ongathanda ukuzenza ukuze kutholakala ama results lawo owafunayo. Ngoba enye into yanto singafinyeleli la sifuna ukufika khona ngoba endleleni yala sifuna ukuya khona kunezinto esingathanda ukuzenza, kodwa kufanele ukuthi sizenze ukuze sifinyelele lapho la thile sibona ukuthi ngathi kufanele sifinyelele khona. It's a shame abanye benu sacrifice their life noma sell their soul kwi-process yayo yonke lento yepolitiki. Beyitshela ukuthi ipolitiki izoletha ushintsho empilweni zabo, noma beyitshela ukuthi uma ngase sibe kusibanibani then usibanibani uzosinikeza u1 no 2 no 3. Leyo nto ngeke izenzeke, leyo nto leyo ngeke yenzeke. Uma ukuthi awaqaphela emhlabeni ukuthi kunabantu abafundiswayo baqeqeshwe beqeqeshelwa ukudicilela impilo zabanye abantu ebese beyaqashwa bekhokhelwe inyanga nenyanga umsebenzi wabo ukudicilela isithunzi sabanye abantu noma ukudicilela ihumanity in general. Then kusho ukuthi awa understand ukuthi emhlabeni kwenzakalani. Emhlabeni indlela isystem operator ngakhona yenza sure ukuthi iya destroyer iyaqeda ngeke kuthiwa ubuntu noma ihumanity. Ngano into efanayo yini leyo ubuntu nehumanity. Kodwa labantu aba-control umhlaba ukuthi usebenza ngakhona are so cruel. They can go to lengths in order to destroy ithenjana elincane elingaba khona kumuntu, bese bekudayisela ithemba elingekho, bese bekubambelela kulona nomphela emva kwalokho bese belidengilisa lapha phambi kwakho ukuze ngaso sonke isikhathi ithemba lakho libe renewed kube ngathi khona ushintsho ngathi khona ushintsho. Angeke libe khona ushintsho lelethwa ipolitiki empilweni yakho. Kodwa ke uma uthanda ungasimosha isikhathi sakho ulandelana nepolitiki njengabo bonke abanye abantu abalandelana nepolitiki abamosha isikhathi sabo. Iphuzu lambelila na ukuthi imedia njengamanje i-instructwe to create this new avatar. And you may iqede nena when scream ukuthi Mkhwanazi for president uma bekuphumula Ramaphosa. And when ngicabanga ukuthi Mkhwanazi ubekwe yinini ngathi abekwangani. Khumbulani uma bekuthiwa ukethu lo mnumzane uJacob Zuma athe upresident pay back the money zonke lezo zinto ezazikhona lezo. Uza nene kuza ku CR17 yonke leyo nto istrategy sifanayo sonke leso. And kulesa sikhathi nani neshow ukuthi umnumzane uZuma undole ngalendlela enanithi undole ngakhona, but namhlanje nina futhi ngithu lelihlukile ngomnumzane uZuma neMK okuyinto efanayo enizoyicula ngomkhwanazi ke manje kiwo khethweni emva kokhetho futhi emese niyabona na uyafana nabanye abantu because he's put kwi-position as an avatar of hope kunina nelintshe thubekwe nina ntakabekwa ngenini. That our presidents are elected not by a population but by certain individuals bese besebenzisa media to manipulate our minds a public society into thinking that ibona kahle kahle aba-electa leyo president when they did not. Vukani emaqandeni enhlakaniphi ngoba niqhubeka nokulala nopapa bemathuneni kanopapa makhona kodwa engqondweni zenu uma bekusekhona ukuthi ikhonto yokwenziwa upresident ukwenza isimo sibe ngcono for ukuqabala abantu noma kuyokwenziwa ipolitiki in general okuyokwenza impilo yabantu ibe ngcono khohlwane leyo nto leyo. Ipolitiki ikhona ukuthi yenze sure ukuthi iqamba amanga kunina lawo manga azokwenza kube ne-order ne-peace izwe libuseke kahle so that lawa abaqhubekayo nokulutha umnotho wezwe baqhubeke belutha umnotho wezwe bengaphazamiseki ngoba imidi khona to shift ama-minds wabantu iwa-pointed to a certain direction. Ebese nikhohliswa-ke lena-ke leqiqwa inkantolo ngathi khonto eyenzakalayo ngathi khonto eyenzakalayo on that process bakhona vele abantu abazoba yizimvu zomhlatshelo ekuyokwenza uyibonelo ngabo, but believe you me those people might be paid to undergo all those scrutinies. They might be paid ukuthi bahambe bayoboshwa so that the cause may continue. Nina nisale nicabanga ukuthi hayi this justice has been served, but there was no justice that was served. It was the part of the game le edlalwayo ngoba ipolitiki yamanga and kune statement sengiyivala lento kune statement esashiwo uJesu noma akingithi esebhayibhelini esithi ibandla lifanele ukunakekela intandane abafelokazi nabahlwempu. Why kunaleso statement kwiBible? Because God knew ukuthi he who feeds the poor has the control and has the influence. So uma ke ibandla kwakufanele ukuthi libe ne-influence ne-control kwakufanele ukuthi linakekele intandane abafelokazi nabahlwempu kodwa ibandla likwenzi lokho kwenziwa uhulumeni and lokho kwenza ukuthi uhulumeni abe ne-influence abe negama lokugcina kubantu because abantu bondliwa uyena ngegrant, abantu banakekelwa uyena ngegrant, abantu banakekelwa uyena nge-free medication kuma-clinics. Ibandla libona lapho uhulumeni wenza yonke leyo. So uhulumeni une-authority phezu kwabantu because uyena obafidayo uyena obanakekelayo. So uhulumeni mangabe corrupt nabantu futhi who are subjects towards uhulumeni nabo bazoba corrupt because i-influence iqhamuka labe ekhothama khona noma labo ondliwa khona kuhulumeni. Ngiyivala nje lona ukuthi ibandla livuke emaqandeni ngoba nalo lilele ubuthongo lifana nelifileyo. Vukani emaqandeni obazalwane ngisanithola nihamba phambili endabeni zepolitiki